Here are some instructions to make an origami jet plane. We'll start with a rectangle. Standard will be fine. A4 or letter. First we're going to fold the edges together and put the middle crease in. Then unfold and turn over. Then we're going to fold the outer right triangle in so the edge touches the middle line, and then fold over where that triangle starts. And unfold. And then fold the edge into the crease. So making another crease. This is a reference fold for later on. Then unfold. And take the left edge and we're going to fold that in to touch the crease. Now the lower and upper triangles we're going to fold in, so the folded edge is folding into the middle. I'll do that on the upper section as well. And unfold. Then we're going to fold the upper section over and squash the paper in. So that corner fold is reversing. Then back down again. And the same above. So we're going to fold it down, squash the corner in, and fold the section back up. Now turn the model over. Then we're going to put a crease at the base of the diagonal fold. So that's folding over. Again, this is another reference fold. And unfold. And take the corner and fold it into where the two creases cut. Hold it down and crease. Unfold. Now take the point and fold it in and crease and unfold. Take the whole paper and unfold and turn over. Then we're going to refold but reverse that middle square, so it's making a sink fold, and we're going to just choose the edges of that, pinch them together, squash the whole section and fold it in. Take the corners and fold them down. We're going to open up the squash fold, so we take the corners and fold them in on both sides, and then take that point and fold it flat and squash it flat against the paper. Turn over. Now we'll take the upper section and we're going to fold it down so the fold is perpendicular to the flat point on the right side. Fold it over and crease. Then fold it back up again along the middle crease. Take the upper corner and fold it over. Now we then fold the corner of the wing in, so it just makes it narrow. There. And the front just fold over the corner. Now we'll repeat those processes on the lower section. So you're going to fold it up, crease, and back down again. Then fold the edge in and the corner up and the wing. So we can see the plane shape taking form here. Now we'll just fold the corner over. Right at the front, it'll blunt it slightly. Turn over and fold the plane in half. Now we'll take the edge and we're going to fold that section in half so it brings the wings down perpendicular to the body. Do that on both sides, and that will make a crease along the middle of the body section. Then open those folds up and fold this corner up, and this lower section we're going to reverse inside. So fold it up and then fold the flap down and fold the wings back down. That gives it a little tail plane just poking up. Just adjust it slightly. There we go. So we've got wings and a tail. Add a bit of stability. Just fold the tips of the wings on that one and that one. Then we'll make these wing tips sort of form perpendicular to the wings. Shape it up, and there we have it. Our plane is finished.